In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from QuickBooks into an Excel spreadsheet. Whether you're managing your personal finances or balancing the books for your business, being able to transfer your financial data efficiently can save you both time and effort. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To kick things off, you'll need to head to QuickBooks' website. Simply navigate to qbo.intuit.com and log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all your financial data is neatly organized for easy access. It's important to start here because this is where all the magic happens. Once you've landed on your QuickBooks dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's a critical step because under this menu you can find various options to customize and manage your account settings effectively. After you've clicked on the settings icon, a menu will drop down with multiple options. Your next move is to find and select Export Data. It's usually located a bit further down on the menu, so scroll if you must. By choosing to export data, you're preparing to transfer all your carefully organized financial information out of QuickBooks and into a more versatile format like Excel. When you select Export Data, you'll be greeted with a summary screen. This screen provides a snapshot of what will be included in your data export. Once you've verified the data, go ahead and click on Continue. This step ensures that you're certain of the data you are about to export, preventing any unnecessary mistakes down the line. Now that you've confirmed your selection, you'll proceed by clicking on Export to Excel. This is where your data gets transformed into a spreadsheet format that you can easily open and manipulate in Microsoft Excel or any compatible software. Excel files are incredibly handy for analyzing and organizing your data further, enabling you to create charts, manage lists, and perform complex calculations with ease. Lastly, a pop-up window might appear to confirm the download and let you know that the export process has been initiated. Simply click OK to close this window. This final step assures you that everything is working smoothly and your data is on its way to being securely exported. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your QuickBooks data into an Excel file. By following these simple steps, you now have more flexibility to analyze your finances and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to explore other functionalities QuickBooks offers to streamline your financial management even further.